In this video, I'm going to show you how you can wrap text around the table in Microsoft Word. Typically, Microsoft Word doesn't provide a straightforward way to wrap text around, but that doesn't mean that it is impossible. To do it, just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. As you can see, I have a table here and I wish to wrap text around it. The first thing, make sure your table is centered. And you can simply center and size your table as you wish by just dragging it, and also by going to table layout and properties, and then make sure the alignment is at the center. Now once the table is at the center, to wrap the text around it, we shall use the same method. Just go to table layout and then look for properties, and under properties head to text wrapping, and you can see currently we have none. To wrap text around it, go ahead and choose around and then click on OK. You can choose positioning as you wish, and we have quite a number of positions that you can choose from. In my case, I'll leave it as it is, and now we can now wrap the text around it. Go ahead and click outside the table like this, and then start typing your text. And you realize the more you type, the more the text will move around your table as you wish. And here we go. We have our text wrapped around the table. So that's how you can wrap text around a table in Microsoft Word. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.